parade ground, or the Parmeswaran Drill Square in front of you, ignites in all of us a feeling of reverence and patriotism. We know of this ground as the sanctum sanctorum of the academy, where we grasp the essentials of military life, such as alertness, steadiness, precision, and perfection. This parade ground is dedicated to a very gallant son of India, late Major Ramaswamy Parmeswaran, Paramveer Chakra, an alumnus of the Officers Training Academy.
Major Ramaswamy Parmeswaran was commissioned into 32 Independent, later rechristened as 15 Mahar Battalion, the Mahar Regiment, on 16 January 1972 as a part of 12th Short Service Commission Course Non-Technical. He was subsequently posted to 8th Battalion, the Mahar Regiment, prior to units moved to Sri Lanka in 1987 as part of Indian Peacekeeping Force. While serving with 8th Mahar as company commander in Sri Lanka on 25th November 1987, his column was ambushed by the Liberation Tiger Tamil Eelam. During the fierce combat that ensued, he was critically wounded. Undaunted and unmindful of his grave injury, this brave soldier continued to inspire his men and finally breathed his last. For this act of exceptional gallantry, devotion to duty of the highest order and supreme sacrifice, the nation honored this great hero with the Paramveer Chakra, the highest gallantry award for bravery in the face of the enemy. In that operation, we lost a courageous soldier. A brave heart became silent and still, but not before transcending into posterity and the legendary annals of the history of this academy and our army.
The parade commander is now returning to his position to take command of the parade and lead the marching contingents in front of the reviewing officer. The precise movements as the contingents wheel and march to the famous martial tunes exemplify the training imbibed by the cadets in the grueling 1 year at the academy.
The contingents have started the quick march to the tune Gangotri. Their swords and badges are shimmering in the morning light, pledging everlasting fidelity to our country. On their shoulders will rest enormous responsibilities from this day on. As young subalterns, they will be guarding many a frontier post in the ice-capped mountains, where survival itself is a challenge. Whether it is the numbing cold of the glaciers in the north